How to sell options on Robinhood. Now in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now, first of all, open the Robinhood app on your phone. And as you can see, search for the stock. So at the top of the screen, type the stock or the symbol of the stock that you want to sell option. For example, type AAPL for Apple stock. After that, tap on trade. So once you find the stock, tap on it to open the stocks page. Now tap on the green trade button at the bottom of the screen. After that, choose trade options. So in the menu that appears, select trade options. This will take you to the option page for that stock. Now you can select the option to sell. So you will see a list of available options. Choose which one you want to sell by tap on it. And now options are based on the price and dates they expire. Now you can choose this to sell. So once you have picked the options, tap on sell button. Now you can see the number of contracts. So next, enter how many contracts you want to sell. Each contract represents 100 share of stocks. Now you can review your order. So before you sell, check the details of your trade. Make sure everything looks good. If you are ready, tap on review. Now confirm your sell. So finally tap on submit to confirm your sell. Your option will be sold and you will see it on your portfolio. So this is how to sell options on Robinhood. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.